It's time now for the nightly business report for this Friday, May 12th, 1989. Station KNME, Channel 5, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Good evening, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins. Today is what's happening. Inflation at the producer level rose 0.4% in April, the second straight moderate increase after 2 months of soaring prices. Economists said that the latest price data confirmed that the economy was slowing. The stock and bond markets responded with sharp rallies, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped 2.4% or 56.82 points. Business inventories rose moderately and merchant sales held steady, signaling its weaker economy, but economists said the trend has not worsened yet. The nation's largest airline reservation system shut down for almost 12 hours, disrupting operations of about 14,000 travel agencies nationwide. The failure of the Sabre computer system, which is owned by American Airlines, left much of the airline without its information about who booked on flights and whether seats were available.
Insurance's enhanced coverage for auto, home, and business, so you don't get.
WPP Group appears to close an agreement on to buy Ogilvy in a deal that would create the second largest marketing and communications company. WPP and Ogilvy confirmed that they were formally discussing the British company's takeover offer. Drexel, Burnham, Lambert, and Merrill Lynch have completed its largest ever underwriting of corporate debt and estimated $4 billion of securities holdings of RJR Holdings. Texas Instruments will produce computer memory chips at $250 million plant in Taiwan and will build Acer, an electronics company that is also Taiwan's largest maker of computers and telecommunications equipment. A federal appeals court ruled that the government agency that insures pensions for millions of retired workers cannot force the LTV to reinstate 3 steel worker pension plans that the company said it was unable to finance. The U.S. has reaped its positive results that put in pressure on its trading partners, said Carla A. Hills. The U.S. Trade Representative, the Soviet Union is seeking to buy at least 200,000 tons of soybean oil from the U.S. in a subsidized deal that could cost American taxpayers about $30 million. The Bush administration seems to be opposed to the sale. The Soviet Union's largest bank began issuing Visa cards and a first step toward an automated national banking system. The stock market broke out its doldrums with a stunning rally, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average soared 56.82 points or 2.4% to close at 2,439.70. Its highest level since the October 1987 stock market crash. Stock prices jumped after the government reported that the producer price index in April rose a much smaller than expected 0.4%. Treasury securities also posted their biggest one-day gain since September, sparked by the April rise in the producer prices. The dollar swung wildly in hectic trading, falling sharply amid aggressive dollar selling by central banks before rebounding to new highs for the year against the yen and the mark. Silver futures prices sank as 26-month low on the commodity exchange in New York as fears of inflation eased and investment demand for precious metals fell. Family discussions can go a long way towards avoiding bitter profit contests. Researchers at Bell Laboratories received the first in what is expected to be a series of patents for a new generation of semiconductor devices known as hot electron transistors. Stocks Dow Jones closed at 2439.70, up 56.82. Dow 136.15 yen, up 78 yen. Gold 379.90 up. Gold 377.90 down $3.10. Bonds 8.83%, down 0.22. That's me have an business report for this Friday, May 12th, 1989. I'm Peter. Have a good weekend. I will see you on Monday. Good night.
You're on? Yes.